The shepherd calls, his voice is clear. To walk with him, cast off your fear. Though valleys dark and shadows deep, his hand will guide, his promises keep. Step out in faith, though the path